Hey guys, what are we going to do? We're going to announce the giveaway for the paying members for the month of December because I said I was doing something special. And yes, I did remember this time. It is the month of December. We're going to give this away. But first, if you're listening on headphones, turn down the volume because here comes music. So what are the members getting and why is everybody watching this video? Well, I'm doing this for everyone because on the 20th, I'm doing the cutoff for this on the 20th. Now I guarantee it won't get shipped. You won't get your prize before Christmas. I apologize. But the paying members are getting a brand new inbox. Never carried, never abused, never adulterated, never torn up and torn apart, even got all the stuff with it. Stonefish. This is the production version of my custom stonefish. This knife has not been used for anything. It went to Levon at the Knife Nuts podcast for a video or pictures, and that was it. He didn't cut with it, anything like that. So you guys are getting the full deal package. Sorry, the stickers are gone. That's the only thing. I let somebody else have the stickers. So you get a stonefish sheath and the pocket clip. I just now have to figure out where the hardware for the pocket clip went. Not such a big deal. I can take care of that. So, guys, that being said, this is a $300 MSRP knife. I'm giving it away to the premium tier and basic tier members. If you want to get in on this, you've got to be a member before the 20th. So, this is a membership drive. There is one other thing I'm going to announce that with this as well. I'm trying to see how well this light is working because I'm using the ring light because it's nighttime, guys. With this as well, there's another announcement I'm making. I am going to start taking all of my videos that I've shot in the past that I have archived, as well as any new videos, and I will also be co-launching them on Full 30. So Full 30 is another platform. YouTube is not as friendly to my content as other channels. My channel is not as YouTube ad friendly and things like that. And so I'm seeing the writing on the wall. I'm just doing a preemptive strike. We're trying to just make sure that that we have a spot for the content. And so I talked with the owner of Full 30. We're setting it up. I am going to have another channel, the same channel. You'll see the same videos here that you see there and vice versa. There might be some exclusive content for there, but you're going to see that. There may be content for there where I can espouse some thoughts and things like that and talk about other items such as pew-pews and ammunition for pew-pews. A lot more freely there than I do here. So just be on the lookout for that. Guys, this is real quick. I got to get this done. I have another phone call that I have to make. Co-branded shirts from Ember will be coming. You will see those. We will talk about those. But for right now, premium tier members, basic tier members are already entered. I'm sorry if you are one of the just looking tier. So I have my basic, I have my premium, and I have just looking. Those guys are not entered. I just can't do it. I'm sorry. So those 16 of you that are currently members are automatically entered in the giveaway for this $300 fixed blade knife. And if you want to be a member, now's the time to do it because I have a couple of other things set for giveaways for the premium guys because they do pay so much for so little. So guys, I love you all. Take it easy. I will see you in the next video. And as soon as shirts get here, I will let you know how to go about ordering those shirts. They will be on Ember's website. So basically, you go and you can just order them, and Ember makes money. I make a little bit of money, but the big thing is I want to help Justin get this new business venture started. And the other thing is, Full 30 is doing a huge $10,000 giveaway on their platform. So if you would like to go over there and find their big giveaway that they've got going on there on Full 30, and you can get a feel for the platform, because you're gonna see some stuff from me that's not available here on that platform. I'm sure of it before too long. So guys, I love you all. I can't stand here and pontificate any longer. I've got phone calls to make. Later.